Let us now take a sutram which prescribes the chaturthi vibhakti, the fourth case affix, as a uppada-vibhakti. We already know what a uppada-vibhakti means. It is a case affix added to a word on account of the presence of another word, the upapadam, which is not possessing any verbal activity. So the upapadam requires the addition of a particular case affix. The sutram we are taking now is 2-3-16. The sutram prescribes a fourth case affix following a pratipadikam which co-occurs, which is in conjunction with certain words. The sutram reads, Namasvasti swaha swadhalam vashad yogacha. The vritti says, Evhir yoge chaturthi syat. In the sutram, a panchami vibhakti has been used following the compound Namasvasti swaha swadhalam vashad yoga. Following that, a panchami vibhakti has been used to give the form Namasvasti swaha swadhalam vashad yogat. But actually that stands for a Saptami Vibhakti. So even though Panchami has been used in the sutram, it should be taken as Saptamyarthe Panchami. That's why the vritti says Evhir yoge chaturthi syat. So that which is joined, which co-occurs with one of these. So the meaning becomes a fourth case affix is used following a pratipadikam nominal stem co-occurring with Namah or Swasti or Swaha or Swadha or Alam or Vashat. Note that Namaha, Swaha, Swadha, Alam and Vashat are avyayani, indeclinables. Swasti is used both as an indeclinable as well as a feminine or neuter noun. Actually, for the most part, if it is used as a noun, it is used in the feminine only. The dictionary says feminine or neuter, but most of the usages which I have seen are only as a feminine noun. So it is either used as an indeclinable or as a feminine noun, maybe sometimes neuter noun. The examples are as follows. Haraye Namaha. Salutations to Lord Viṣṇu. Here Namaha has been used, so in conjunction with Namaha, Hari takes the fourth case affix. In this case, a singular affix Nye to give the form Haraye. But Namaskaroti Devan. Someone offers salutations to the gods. Now here 2-3-2. Karmani Dvitiya, which prescribes a Karaka Vibhakti, overrules 2-3-16, which prescribes a Upapada Vibhakti. As per the Paribhasha, Upapada Vibhakti Karaka Vibhaktir Baliyasi, meaning that the force of a Karaka Vibhakti is greater than that of a Upapada Vibhakti. Now what is the Karaka Vibhakti? A case affix governed by a verb or a verbal derivative. To apply 2-3-2 Karmani Dvitiya, we first have to get the Karma Sanya by 1-4-49. Karturipsita tamang karma. To get that Karma Sanya, we need an action. And the object of the action gets the Karma Sanya. And once we get the Karma Sanya, we can assign a second case affix by 2-3-2, following the pratipadikam which denotes the object. As opposed to that, this sutram, which we are studying now, 2-3-16, that prescribes a fourth case affix based upon a pratipadikam being in proximity, being in conjunction, co-occurring with certain words. Hence 2-3-16 prescribes a upapada vibhakti. And the Paribhasha says that a Karaka Vibhakti has more force than a Upapada Vibhakti. So when there is a clash, the Karaka Vibhakti takes precedence. So here in Namaskaroti Devan, Deva is the object of the action of salutation. Hence Deva gets the Karma Sanya by 1-4-49 and it takes the second case affix, the second case plural affix, in spite of Namaha being present, because 2-3-16 prescribes a Upapada Vibhakti which has less force than a Karaka Vibhakti. So therefore the fourth case affix does not apply. We apply the second case affix by 2-3-2. The next example is Prajabhya Swasti. May it be well with the subjects. Swasti is used in the sense of may it be well or may good betide someone or all the best to someone. So here Prajabhya Swasti. May it be well with the subjects. Praja is in conjunction with Swasti, therefore it takes the fourth case. in this case the plural affix bhyas by this sutram to 316. Here swasti is used as an indeclinable, as an avyayam. We could also have a usage such as swastir bhavatu te. Te in the sense of tubhyam, means good luck to you, all the best to you. So here swasti is used as a feminine noun, and in conjunction with that yushmad takes the fourth case singular affix to give the form tubhyam, short form te. Next example is agnaye swaha, offering an oblation to the fire god. Swaha is an exclamation used in offering oblations to the gods. Pitrubhyas svadha, offering an oblation of food to the manes of the deceased ancestors, to the souls of the deceased ancestors. Just like swaha, svadha is also a exclamation used when offering an oblation, but in this case is oblation of food to the manes of the deceased ancestors. Swaha is used when offering an oblation to the gods. Before we take the next example with alam, let us take this small vartikam which says alamiti paryaptyartha grahanam, meaning the term alam used in the sutram 2316 stands for words meaning a match for or equal to, sufficient for dealing with. This vartikam does two things. First of all, alam has a variety of meanings, like enough with, don't do that. Also to decorate, like alankaraha. It also means to be a match for. In the sutram, alam means only match for or sufficient for. It does not take the other meanings. And the second thing is that any word which has this meaning of a match for or sufficient for qualifies for application of this sutram. Now how do we know this? We infer this from the fact that Panini himself has used the fourth case affix in tasmai in the sutram 5.1.101. Tasmai prabhavati santapadebhyaha. Here we don't have alam, we have prabhavati, which is of course derived from the verbal root bhu with the upasargaha pra. So from this we know that the fact that tasmai has been used by Panini himself with the fourth case affix tells us that it is not just alam, but words which convey the meaning of being a match for or sufficient for qualify for application of this sutram. Example here is Daitebhyo harir alam prabhuho samarthaha shakta ityadi. The meaning is that Lord Viṣṇu is a match for the demons. A comment here says that Prabhavadi yoge shashtyapi sadhu. A sixth case affix may also be used following a pradipadikam, co-occurring with Prabhu, etc., but not alam. How do we infer that? From the fact that Panini himself has used a sixth case affix in esham in the sutram 5278. Sa eshang gramanihi. Here also we have a meaning similar to that of Prabhu. But Panini did not use the fourth case affix, he used the sixth case affix in esham. That tells us that the sixth case affix may also be used following a pradipadikam in conjunction with Prabhu, etc., meaning Prabhu, Samarthaha, Shaktaha, etc., but not with alam. If it's alam in the meaning of a match for, then only chaturthi has to be used. Last example is Vashat Indraya, offering an oblation to Indra. So just like Swaha, Vashat is an exclamation used on offering an oblation to a deity. So in conjunction with Vashat, Indra takes the fourth case affix, the fourth case singular affix here to give the form Indraya.